Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what me mean when me say it hot, because it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Well, guys, it's been a while, so I am here today with a biggity bam 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 prank, guys. Today the prank we want for prank Papa Harry is that I went to the mall and I met a nice couple, and them invited me to a stag, like a party for adult people. And guys, them introduced me to a threesome or a foursome. You understand me? So guys, that's what me gonna do to Papa Harry today, to see him reaction. But I just want to hear what I say, and to see how he gonna react to this when me tell him, so well then me want to try out a younger guy. When me say young, like somebody na them 40, 45, that them kind of age there. We're not gonna rob the cradle, just the younger little age, because me need me need to feel and enjoy another wood, we see reaction, guys. This is gonna be so funny, guys. Remember, nothing wrong with Papa Harry, really. This is just a prank I am doing on him, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get myself sorted out, get everything together, and come back at it. So before me get into the video, guys, me want to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification belly things of mine, so you don't miss a post when me post, because I know a long time I don't post nothing. Harry, come here.
Hey girl, I don't like where you pack this in glass.
Me just have a little story to discuss with you today. We met about his we have a good shopping day today at the mall. I buy myself a nice little wallet, a little new wallet, and I buy. I'm gonna show it to you when we finish. I'm gonna need to talk to you about something. When we went to the mall today, I met this gentleman and his girl, nice people, nice, decent people, So him approach me, say, ask me where me from. I tell him me from Jamaica. So him tell me, say, him have them have them call it, can't remember the name, them have like a stud party where them a keep.
What is that?
We can't remember what the name is, but that's what they said. Them have like a stand party where they might keep. But I feel big people. You understand?
When you say big people like me,
like the big people like me, him, the guy is him look like he's about 40, 45, and the girl, she look like she's about 30, 35. Yeah, them kind of. Them that age group there, so them not all that young, but them, them not like me and you. Them not right like me. So anyway, he might tell me now, so them have this party where them keep it like 2 times for the year. You understand? So he might invite me to the party. So him say, so me ask me if him just invite me alone. So him say me can bring me, if me married, him say me married, so him say me can bring my husband too. So me say, well then okay, when me go home now, me discuss it with my husband, because him say me can bring my husband. So anyway, me ask him what the party, what kind of party it is, because
that was this first question I'm going to ask you a while ago, but
no, yeah, me ask him what kind of party it is. Him say it's yes.
That's all the word doesn't sound like a decent one, but it's okay.
Well, probably that him say or whatever, but me can't remember what him say. But him says it's a party for adult. You understand? So him say, it's him say if me come, we enjoy myself. If me bring my husband, we enjoy myself. If me don't bring my husband, we will still go enjoy myself.
Okay.
Then him said to me, say, It might feel, I'm going to sort it out to me now and make me know everything what it is, like the kind of party what it is. So the kind of party what it is now is a party where you can do threesome or you can do foursome. So I say, when you say threesome or foursome, what you mean? I say, well, then, you know, me can do it with my husband and another partner, and he would have liked to be my partner.
He want to be your partner?
Yes, he would have liked to be my partner.
Or be my partner?
Well, there gonna be other people there. Could be your partner, or even the lady where they are with me could be your partner.
Only this sounds freaky, what?
So I said to him, say me I go home and me I go tell my husband about it.
But this freaky something.
Yeah, me I tell my husband about the party because me would like to go at the party.
Really?
Yeah, you don't like to go?
Not them the freaky something, they crazy.
Well, for me now, me would like to go at the party because...
But do what?
Because me need some spice and a little bit of excitement in a way thing. Because...
Talk for yourself, only because you said we a while ago. You want some spice and something in your something?
Yeah, you don't want some spice though?
Me happy with what me have, yes. So no, me know what kind of more spice you want spice me.
Because sometimes the wood now work right, and this guy when me see him have a nice body, and I tell the God and he shoot me like to try that wood there. You understand me? Because that wood there really him look good.
You want to try that wood?
Yeah, I like to try that wood there because and the girl were there with him. Me know you that would
No, you don't know nothing about me when it comes to them freaky something there. Because I know nothing with no freak. What you talk about me, Woodda? What you know about with me, Woodda?
Listen, sometimes you tell me, say, one of the reasons why we think you that like to do this is because the last time you tell me, say, boy, Joan, but I like to try a new thing. So you tell me, say, I like to try a new thing. This is why, when you say you want to try something new, we don't know what you want. When you say you want to try something new, whether it's a new position or whatever.
That's what me talk about. So, either the doggy shot or the buckley shot. Which one of them who want to try something different? But me no want to go into no freaky. Well, next man, yeah, come, let me tell you this from now.
Okay.
You say, we going to for them place or them come because me now go nobody place with the whole heap of people, you know, me know that. First thing me know.
It's not, as the guy said, it's a party and it's kind of private. It's not like an orgy, not like that, but it's where you can have fun. And me would like to have some fun. Honestly,
well, you have to get a deal done, you know.
For do what?
First of all, any club we are going now.
You know what?
Club we are going now with the one little foul. Then you will tell about you going. No, any club we are going now, it's gonna be one c. Everybody else can bring 10, 15, 20 N, but one c. Do not come tell me about no young look good. No, we're not going to work with that. You cannot work with that. That's never gonna work. Me never know you're into them freaks or something, my girl.
Well, you would like to try one of them c.
Anytime you're ready to try one of them, go to your lawyer and set up the divorce paper the day before you go. Because after you go test that water, you know, you can't come back in my cup, you know.
What if your now work right where you want me to do?
I mean, you can't get greedy upon the thing now.
I'm not getting greedy.
You sound greedy to me.
No.
Satisfy, and you need to learn to satisfy. If things, when we did young and things up there, now we get old now and things.
This
like
is why me,
down there.
yes.
But we don't need no help.
So this is why me.
I'm not young. Where you come over to me?
You don't need no help. What I say? You don't need no help.
No.
But me need help.
You by a deal though.
No, me don't want no deal. Me want live. Me need to feel the life. Me need to feel.
Let me tell you this.
Me don't want a battery something. Me want to feel live and direct. Live and direct. Me want.
Let me tell you this.
What you want to tell me, say?
You see, when you bring in young.
Yeah. Yes.
You know. Cub,
yeah.
The first intention that cock have, you know, is to get out the old, you know, which is me.
No,
it cannot come in at me cub.
We're not gonna get him out. We're not gonna
get him out. Nobody cannot now go happen on it. Because him can't come in at my cub. Any cub I go on is your cub, and you go over there so with your cub and draft up the divorce paper them, because anytime you go film, you know, you can't come back in at my cub. Me tell you that. Anything you got try out of road.
So, me don't give them the information and my phone number and everything for them call with Saturday because on Saturday we are gonna go deal with this thing. So, don't listen. When him see me, him said to me, said the reason why me approach you is that me look so young, me not even look like me. Can me tell him how old me is? Him say me not even look like that age.
So, what that have to do with your sex life?
Huh?
But that have to do with
This
your
is why
sex life.
because
oh, him know say your sex life not right.
It's not a matter saying that no say my sex life not right, and him I'm just in the mall and invite people to the
your
party.
face. You walk around and I tell you say, oh, sex life. Are you married?
No.
Oh, him just come to you, come and discuss.
And me want him talk to.
You see him talk to other people?
Him talk to other people. There's other people him talk to. Him talk to a man and him talk to a woman. Him just talk to people. Him just invite people to the party. You understand? And I'm so happy that him give me an invitation to the party.
That's not a Jamaican. First of all, let me tell you this.
What?
That's not a Jamaican.
Why?
Which part of where they come from?
I never asked him.
Can guarantee it's not Jamaican. Jamaican don't work with them things. If them even do work with them things, it's not my type of people them there. Because I'm not gonna go into a room. First thing, let me tell you this.
Yeah.
If I go into a room with 10, 20, 30 people, then Charlie Brown dead.
This okay. So why Charlie Brown never dead?
Because too much people look for me and Charlie. Me can't take me, you know me, I go shy. It has to be me and you. You see me, I have to turn off light.
If you're Charlie Brown and go dead when we go at the party, then we definitely have to go work with one of them that we did it. You understand me? So if you're Charlie Brown and go limp on you, me have to go work with one of them cock the honey. Me sorry, me can't really deal with nothing else except that. Because why you are gonna see all of them the hang there and your blood seat, your Charlie Brown are gonna limp so.
I know the ends them you are gonna see only. It's a whole heap of different man and woman and them things. Let me not
but other woman are gonna do it.
I know, but man I got there too. Man I got see as me say anywhere we I go, let me tell you this. Anywhere we're going, is only one man can be there. One man, no more man. If you don't understand when I say one man and a me, you can have 10, 15, 20 women, but only one man. And I guess so.
Well, only child, we are gonna go at the party and whichever way how it work out, it work out.
We don't understand that.
What you mean? What is not there for you to understand?
It's like you're not listening to what you're not listening to what
I
you're
hear
saying.
everything what you say, but
that's
like
you have these needs and wants.
But it's like you not hearing what me saying. I am telling you that you're not working too right, and I need some spice, and I want to go to the party to try the within it. At least the visit today really look good. Someone I really like to try it.
And sometimes really. Them cut they look good and weak, you know.
Well, it's for me to find out.
Not weak. I'm not doing nothing with that. So the we thing, as me try keep telling you, it have nothing to do with we. It's a your thing. When I agree that.
Well, you can watch.
Watch who?
You can watch while I'm experiencing the car.
Me tell you want to see that?
Well, we don't know when if you're gonna live.
Me not that freaky. As I say, keep your freakiness over this.
But I watch you.
Because you freaky. How you mean?
I couldn't do it. It's a new spice.
First thing I would be jumping on that. I'm not even talk about that. You think I'm gonna sit down and watch no man caressing you and ramming and jamming you? I want to see that. No. If I don't know them, say what you don't know can't hurt you. So anything like that for one, you can't know about it. Let me tell you that from now. So if you want to screech away, I'm going to get you slapping and come back. Make sure me don't catch you. You crazy. Will you take me for Joan? That could have never worked in my life, Joan. Anything I go on, I'm going me alone as end. I mean, any amount of end.
Well, on child, we are go.
We still talk about this wee thing.
Well, me one can go now. You can decide whether you want to come or not because I am going to go.
If you want to go, you're not coming back here.
Well, me not coming back here. So what will stop me from coming back here?
Lock go and change pan door. You come and come see your house empty. Because I will be planning. Oh, you mean? Let me not move out anytime you come back house empty.
I am going to go to the party. Whether you choose to come or not is your business, but would I love if you come at the party with me because this is a new thing where we are going to try between me and you and the other partner, you know, put some spice in our life. You understand me?
May I tell you this?
Yeah.
You see them, there's something the way you tell me about me and you do.
Yeah.
Me not do nothing like that. And you see, you not going nowhere with no other nobody. That not go Neither today, tomorrow, nor yesterday. So, let me tell you, you know what, I'm not in no more argument with you, no trouble, because true, you know, me no want this reach spot, I go reach. If you keep up your attack or your attack, because you're pissing off, you know, you get up on a different level, you know. I see you know I reach there, so.
Okay.
You know what? I'm going to leave you alone because me none of them nasty listen, me none of them something there. And you can't come to me, what? Me and which man are going to you? Me and no man are going to you. Let me tell you that. To say for them plan that you have, make sure make a different blood clot plan. Let me tell you that. Oh. Okay.
Ari!
Oh, blood clot.
Ari, come.
Don't call me, sir.
Okay, Ari, come here, please. Can you just come here? Come here, Ari, come here. Come here, please. Sit down here, please.
Wrong, put my pussy down here, you know.
Okay. Ari, nothing wrong if we do a little threesome. Okay, alright. Ari.
Don't tell us somebody. We don't want to talk about it again.
Ari, it's just a prank.
Go ramp with me, you know. Michael, no ramp with me, you know. You come tell me about that. No ramp with me, you know. Hey, not bring them prank to me. Let me tell you this.
It's just a prank, honey. You don't need to be upset. No, you tell me now. In a this time with me and you, how the hell? Me can't even stand up straight. My foot no good, me knee no good. When me are doing a new car.
Same thing with I say, no, but then, true, you say that you want me. I say, I want to do this mad woman
It's just a prank, honey. It's just a prank.
This have to be a prank because there's no way. In a them time of life, you know. After me, they know, I said, you're easy and chill, you come tell me about you.
Honey, child, a long time, and I think I got you, and I got you good and goddamn proper.
You can't play with me them way there.
Oh my God!
No, you don't play with me them way. No prank. No just.
Kiss your wife, honey. Kiss your wife. Give your wife a chops. Give your wife a chops.
Just in the way there, you come tell me about prank, you know. Treat no turn out good for you, you know. You switch for me and talk about prank.
It's just a prank.
Make sure, you know. Oh, because if that way,
It's just a prank.
make sure.